Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. I'm back with another job lead. VERTEX is currently hiring. You will come over here to vertx.com/careers. I'll put the link in the description of this video. It says our company, our science, medicines, patients, responsibility, careers, news, investors, stories, clinical trials, partners, global. Help us transform lives. Join our team. At Vertex, the world's most talented and passionate people come together to advance science and transform lives. And in return, we invest in them so they can grow and advance in their own careers. If you're ready to join us, browse our open positions below. If you want to stay connected, click here to join our talent community. Now, guys, once you click on this particular tab, it will take you to all of the open positions that Vertex has. It said, what makes us special? We have a unique culture that takes a scientific approach to solving problems and places value on creative solutions and personal growth and development. Every person and every idea matter. So, more than a job, Vertex employees are supported along their professional journeys and have the opportunity to grow and thrive in an inclusive and equitable environment that rewards and recognizes the moments that matter. We want to support your career from the beginning and along every step of the way, and we offer career growth and development opportunities regardless of your role or experience level. To achieve our best, most meaningful work and deliver on our promise to patients, we need to be our best selves. That's why we offer industry leading benefits and compensations to support our employees, their loved ones, and the community. So, inclusions and diversity and equity, job opportunities, U.S. contract positions, career growth opportunities, benefits, rewards, and recognition. And you can click on all of these tabs. All of these tabs are clickable, and you can click on there to learn more and discover more. You can click on here to discover more. It's an inclusive and equitable culture. We celebrate our differences while working together to bring cutting edge science to the hardest to solve challenges in science and medicine. We strive to build the best teams which value and leverage different perspectives, backgrounds, experience, all working toward our shared mission. So, guys, and our employees love working here. It says that the Fortune 100 gave them the best company to work for in 2023. Fortune gave them the best place to work for in 2022, and the best place for women in 2022. Science of 2022 top employer. So these are, and you can load more here to learn about all of the awards that they earn and explore our spaces. It says our science is the state of the art, and so are our labs, manufacturing facilities, and workspaces. Boston is the global headquarters. San Diego is where their R&D labs are, and San Diego are located in the north and downtown La Jolla areas. And let's see what else. London is the headquarters outside. So they're hiring internationally. So it's an international company, worldwide company. And it says, meet some of our Vertexians. That's cute. Diana Cruz, she's VP Inclusion, Diversity, and Equity. It says important notices, things of that nature. So, guys, you get the gist. I just wanted to come and share with you that this is another job lead, another job opportunity for you guys to come and click on, learn more about Vertex. They're open opportunities worldwide, guys. So come to the link that I put in the description. Click on here, be able to apply to all of these jobs. Super congrats to anyone who gets one of these awesome roles, guys. Sending lots of love, hugs, prayers, good vibes your way. Hope you're having a super fantastic day. You are amazing. Most importantly, guys, make it an amazing day for someone else. Please like this video so it'll show up in the algorithm, show up in the news feed for other people to watch. If you know someone who's currently looking for a job, guys, please and thank you. Share this job lead with someone else, guys. I appreciate you so much. You are the best. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I will see you in the next video. Love you lots. Bye for now, friends.